Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete all chats in DeepSeek AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open DeepSeek AI app on your device. Here, tap on the two horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom section of your screen. Here you can see delete all chats option, tap on it. A confirmation message might pop up asking that if you're sure that you want to delete all of your chat. And if you're sure, tap on confirm deletion option. Once confirmed, all your previous chats will be permanently deleted, leaving you with a clean slate. And that's it, you've successfully deleted all chats in DeepSeek AI. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.